Hey friends, today I discovered how to make corn dogs in the air fryer, and now I'm gonna try adding cheese inside. This should be really exciting. Now I'm going to split the cheese in half. Looking good. Now I'm going to get my corn dog wraps out. When that popped open, it was loud. It scared me. Guys, this literally smells like cornbread. So this is cornbread dough. Awesome. Okay, so the pieces come looking like this. I'm gonna wrap it around. That should be pretty good, right? Ooh, they're perfect. Okay. So now I know for next time, 8